Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to give your Wix website a cleaner, more professional look by adjusting how wide your strips appear, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the width margin of any strip on your Wix site, quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know how to control the space around your sections like a pro, so your site looks perfect on any screen size. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to modify your site's layout and design. Next, find the specific strip or section you want to adjust. This could be your header, a content strip, or even a footer. Hover over it and click to highlight it. Once selected, you'll notice a toolbar or options panel pop up. This is where all the magic happens. With your strip selected, look for the stretch option in the toolbar. Click it. The stretch settings control how your strip behaves across different screen sizes, which is essential for keeping your design responsive and professional. Inside the stretch settings, navigate to the Margins tab. Margins define the empty space on the left and right sides of your strip. This is what controls how close your content sits to the edges of the browser window. Now you'll see sliders or input fields for the left and right margins. Drag the sliders left to decrease the margins and make the strip wider, or drag them right to increase the margins and create more breathing room. Take your time and experiment with small adjustments until it looks just right. Before finalizing, click Preview to see how your changes look on desktop and mobile. This is important to ensure your site stays responsive and visually balanced. Once you're happy with the result, hit Save, and don't forget to publish if you want the changes live right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the width margin of a strip in Wix. This simple tweak can instantly elevate your site's design and make it more user-friendly. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy website tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.